Now here the question says the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle is 17 centimeters and the difference between the other two sides is 7 centimeter. Find the other two unknown sides. How do we go about this question? We know that the Pythagoras theorem says a square plus b square is equal to h square. So we let the shorter side be x. If the shorter side is equal to x, the other side is equal to x plus 7. Why? Because the difference between the two other sides is 7. So if the shortest side is 7, shortest side is x, so the other side is x plus 7. So, and the hypotenuse we know is 17 centimeters. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, according to the Pythagoras theorem, we get x square plus x plus 7 whole square is equal to 17 square. So if we get this equation, we get here, what do we get is x square plus x square plus 14x plus 49 equal to 17 square. So we have 2x square plus 14x minus, we get here 260 is equal to, sorry, 240, this value comes out to be 240, just a second, yeah, 240 is equal to 0. So now dividing whole of this equation by 2, we get x square plus x minus 120 is equal to 0, plus 7x minus 120 is equal to 0. Now again we will solve this equation by splitting of middle term or by factorization. We get x square plus 15x minus 8x minus 120 is equal to 0. I've just done the factorization. Then we get x in, we take x common from the first two terms, we get x into x plus 15 minus 8 common from here, we get x plus 15 over here equal to 0. We get over here x minus 8 and x plus 15 equal to 0. We get these two equations. So x is equal to 8 or 15 or minus 15. So if x is equal to 8 or minus 15, x is the shortest side of the triangle. The shortest side of triangle cannot be negative. So 15 is discarded. So we have the shortest side is equal to 8 centimeters and the other side is equal to x plus 7, that is equal to 8 plus 7, that is equal to 15 centimeters. So the other two sides are 8 centimeters and 15 centimeters.